This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp. Are you looking for an IT bootcamp? In your journey with TS4U, you will get workshops and tasks every week, hands-on practice, technical tests and tasks, show and tell, mock interview. And we get paid fully only when you get a job. You can get affordable student loan. Become eligible for free tuition. We offer industry-demanding IT boot camps. Join now and start your IT engineering journey today with TS4U.
So can you tell me, have you installed any plugins on Jenkins?
Well, this is the fully responsible part by the DevOps team. The plugin I need, I just simply give the list to the DevOps team, and they actually take care. They actually do the environment maintenance. That's how we do things in our development team.